Gut, Licht drauf. Wow!
No, she's fine. Wait. Woo!
He won't bite. He won't bite you. He just barks. Hey, get over.
Always get his speed, bro. You okay? Anthony.
Heard about Carolina Reapers. They're like the granddaddy of all peppers. They're supposed to be some of the hottest things you can even eat.
You ready to take a look?
Yeah. That looks like Satan. Okay, you ready?
Oh, cheers, mate.
All right.
Oh.
That's delicious. And very hot. But I'm...
Your eyes? Are you kidding me?
We used a fork. Oh, no!
Do not touch your eyes.
Oh.
You okay?
Echo, what do I do if somebody's missing?
Here's something I found on the web. According to blogspot.com, whoever that somebody is had better have a salad.
Dexter, no, no, no, no! That's $30.
Might as well let me to play with. Okay, so he ran all this with
Please. Oh!
See if we can do this little challenge here. Oh my God. Go away. Babe. Yeah? I made a mess. Yeah. Yeah. I can't stop my phone because I got the egg yolk on it.
Alexa, can you give me a fart?
That was a power one. Try asking me to fart 17 times in a row. Or say random.
Alexa, can you fart 17 times in a row?
17 farts coming your way.
Oh my goodness. Who said snow can't be fun? There you go. There we go. Oh.
Liz, I've got a present for you.
A present for me?
Yes.
No. No present for me, Tony. No. No, I don't need a snowball. Thank you. I do not need a snowball in my house.
They're not coming out. So, wouldn't recommend putting these in your hair. Pray for me! This is the dumbest thing I have ever done.
Lan bir şey var mı? İyi misin lan? Gerizek.
I want to look good this year, and I'm trying to make my bangs look good, and this is what is happening! I look crazy! So I need help. So I'm doing this. I'm going like this. Right? But what is that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! There's plastic. I just melted.
This is how we do it. Hey, I never asked you. Yeah. You like guacamole? Oh!
Alright, this is my new pet goldfish, guys. We're gonna go put him in his new home. There you go. Look at him. He's so pretty. Oh! My goldfish. No!
I got you on. Hey, you just ran into me. Got me on tape doing what? You into me.
Hey! Get off my porch!